My name is Sai Kumar and we are doing the project on an intelligent road traffic clearance system for emergency vehicles using RF. We are doing this project under the guidance of Mr. Ramnath Kini MG, Assistant Professor, Coog Institute of Technology. My fellow project mates are Sharat Gowda, Karthik Nair, Shashikiran R. We are pursuing our 8th SEM in Electronics and Communication Department in Coog Institute of Technology, Panampet. Traffic jams are the major problem in our country. This is because each and every people rely on their own vehicles. This in turn causes traffic jam. This somehow affects the emergency vehicles which are in rescue operations. These problems are overcome in Western countries by using GPS system. But the GPS system is not suitable in our country. So this is where our project comes into the picture.
Our model consists of two sections. One is remote section and another one is signal section. The remote section is placed in the emergency vehicle and the signal section is placed near the traffic signal. The block diagram of the remote section is as shown in figure. The remote section consists of a control unit, that is MSP EXP 430FR573. It has been interfaced with the hex keypad. The particular signal to be triggered is triggered by pressing the key in the hex keypad. The corresponding signal is transmitted to the signal section near the traffic signal by RF transceiver CC2500. This is the block diagram of signal section. It consists of two main units. One is control unit and another one is RF transceiver CC2500. The transmitted signal from the remote section is received from the transceiver and it is being forwarded to control unit. Based on the signal received, the control unit decides which signal to be turned green. This is the flow chart of signal section. Initially, the simulated signal is initialized. Ambulance can approach the signal at any time and the key might be pressed at any instant. As soon as the key is pressed, the code is transmitted. Hence, we have to check for the received code continuously at the receiver side. Based on the received code, the particular signal is turned green. As shown in the block diagram, this is the signal section and this is the remote section.
As shown in the block diagram, the remote section consists of a trans receiver CC2500 and a controlling unit MSP430EXP430FR5739, which has been interfaced with EXA keypad. The respective signal is triggered in the signal section by pressing the particular key in the EXA keypad. Depending on the key pressed, the particular code is transmitted to the signal section. The communication between the two modules is wireless. The frequency for the communication is 2.4 GHz. Coming to signal section, we have simulated the traffic signal. Consists of 4 sets of signal. Make use of 12 sets of LEDs. To trigger the 12 LEDs, we need 12 I/O pins. To minimize the number of pins, we have used shift register 74HC595, which works on principle of serial in and parallel out.
Let us assume that the emergency vehicle is approaching the signal which is already red. The driver in the emergency vehicle presses the respective key to turn the signal from red to green for time instant t. After passing from the signal, after the time instant t, the normal signal resumes.